My name is Jay Simpson. I'm the co-owner of Multi-Axis Technologies. 30 years or so of experience. I've had a lot of opportunities and roles in the trade. I was always intrigued with how things worked. I was always taking apart, the car, right, to try to figure out what happened, taking off spark plug wires. And when I got introduced to the whole machining side, that was like a whole awakening for me. And during my school career we had this program called Tech Prep that was sponsored with a local company, Boeing. And I was, in 10th grade, and I was able to go to their facility at Boeing and get paid through a summer internship type program and learn manufacturing. So fundamentals, basics, and then that just continued to foster that want and growth and hunger. And then I was afforded a job at Boeing because of that experience. I worked there for 4 years. And then of course that afforded additional opportunities as now I started becoming a programmer at Aerojet even then, and doing process improvements and work with manufacturing engineers. So it was just this gateway of doors after door after door. And I just kept opening every door. So the early days of Blue was a very much a methodical, controlled chaos environment. And I say that in a good way. We fail early, we test often, and we learn faster. And so that mentality is contagious, right? You start feeding it. It's just like this perpetual wheel. Even if you're the janitor, you feel that. And what happens is now it fuels you when something goes awry. You're not running away from it, you're running at the problem. And you know that you've got 10 other people on each side of you running with you as well. Going back to the Blue story, right? There was so many. As a small group, you're very intimate with your team. As it became larger, people started breaking off, right? Doing their own thing. And as that took place, you have fingerings at all these different places. And in those connections, you always come back to the one, which is the manufacturing side or the engineering side. And where does everybody meet for that? Usually IMTS. It just ends up this whole string of people and connections that make you successful. What we have today, what you see, what you've been in here, our business, Multi-Axis Technologies, is the culmination of all the relationships. Yeah, so if you're looking to find unobtainium, right, your next tooling purchase, your next thing, IMTS is the place to go. And I guarantee you'll find it at IMTS.